G'day guys, Luke here at Honeycombs. Stay tuned, we review all machines. So look, stay tuned, Luke's Machinery Reviews. Have a look, see what we're looking at this week. YouTube and Instagram. Cheers, thank you. Feel free to come and see us. Sorry guys, starting again, I had a phone call. A bit of funny anyway. Alright, so this part of the crop is actually not the crop, it's actually just a bit of old country that he doesn't actually farm. This is all the shed and the runway, not the runway, but the outer parts of the crop. So if we zoom in here, this is our wheel tracks from our irrigator, and it was quite good to notice. You can see where he's gone down and used to spray. So pretty much a nice generic bit of green, which means the crop's pretty good. There's no bigger dull spots compared to other parts. Look, so like I said, bear in mind this has just had water over it, which is going to bounce a better reflection. So from this day, which was the 2nd of the 8th, we're down towards the 30th of the 8th. Okay, as you can see, I try to do it the same time of day every time. I suppose that's a difference too. If you do this, do it at the same time every time. Obviously, during the afternoon, you're going to get a drier picture. You're going to get a lot more, your leaf's not going to be as reflective during the hotter parts of the day. But overall, that's a pretty good looking sort of a crop. That's basically your data. So now what we're going to do, like I said, just bear with me. So this was the 30th of the 8th. I'm now going to go and pick the second last one. And we're just going to compare the 30th of August to, I think it was the 9th of the 9th, so it's about 2 weeks later, just to compare the differences in between then and there.